Hello! Welcome to Easy English at Home YouTube channel. Today, I am gonna teach you how and when to use present perfect continuous tense. We use present perfect continuous tense in 4 different cases. Today, we are gonna study each one with examples. The first one, we use it with recent past activities with a present result. Recent past activities. So what does this mean? It's a past activity but recent, and you see the present result, as in the example of it has been raining. It has been raining. You can as well say it's been raining. It's been raining. So when I say it's been raining, is it still raining? No, it's not. The rain has stopped, but the ground is wet, so I can see the result. Is there a specific time of action in this example? No, there is no specific time for the action. The focus is on the activity, not the time. So this is the first use. The second one, let's look at this one. We use it for an activity that started in the past and still going on, right? So it started in the past and still going on. It is still continuing, right? As in the example of, I have been reading your book. You can as well say, I've been reading your book. So, have I finished reading it? No. The book is not yet finished, so I say, I've been reading your book. I started reading it and I'm still reading it. Another example could be, let's say, I have been working for this company. For a long time. So I started a long time ago and I'm still working for the same company. The third example here we have is it's used with for and since and action verbs. So we prefer using present perfect continuous with action verbs and for and since. As in the example of they have been waiting here since 3 o'clock. Right? You can as well say they've been waiting, right? So here is the action of waiting is what the focus is on, right? The last one we're looking at is for repeated activities in the past and still going on. So the act of repeating is happening regularly, still going on. For example, she has been going to Spain every year since 1987. So this repeated action is going on regular basis. So that's how we use. If you want to go deeper with the structure, let's have a look how it works. We have, for positive sentences, we have I, we, you, they, subject pronouns, going with have, been, verb ing, right? If I want to negate it, then I say haven't been doing it, right? If I want to form a question, all I have to do is to move the auxiliary right to the beginning. I say, have you, let's write it here, have you been waiting for long? Have you been waiting for long would be a good example. Now, let's have a look at the singular subject pronouns. How does it work with them? If you have she, he, or it, then the auxiliary changes. You have to use has for negative and has for positive and hasn't for negative ones. And been stays there as always, okay? And the verb ing follows. So that's how the structure works. Are you ready for further practice? Look at the pictures and answer the questions with me. Picture 1. What has she been doing? She's been cleaning the house. Picture 2. What have they been doing? They've been chilling out on the beach. Picture 3. What has he been doing? He's been working all day. Picture 4. How long have you been using the social media? I've been using it actively for 10 years. Picture 5. How long have you been working here? I've been working here as a barista for a year. Picture 6. How long has she been doing yoga? She's been doing yoga for 2 years. Picture 7. What have they been doing? They've been watching TV all day. It's time to learn how to answer everyday conversation questions formed with present perfect continuous. I've picked up 4 most popular ones for you. So now, let's study the questions, their meaning, and how to answer them. Question number 1. Here we have, what have you been doing today? So this is a way of asking how you spent the day. You can answer this question by saying, I've been working. I've been doing chores. I've been studying. Don't forget, the question is, what have you been doing today? Question number 2. What have you been doing lately? So, recently, these days. This is a way of asking what is new in your life. Okay? So, the speaker wants to learn what activities have you participated in recently. You can answer this question by saying, nothing much, or I haven't been doing much. Or you can say, I've taken up yoga, something new that I'm doing, right? Or I've got a new boyfriend, or I've got a new girlfriend. Question number 3. How have you been doing? Okay, this is a way of asking how you are. How are things in your life, right? So you can say, good, or I've been doing well. Never been better is another way of answering this question. Last question. Have you been doing well? So this is a way of asking if the person is okay or not. Have you been doing well? You can say, yeah, excellent, great, I'm doing great. So, keep these questions in mind, very useful. Let's have a look at today's keywords and phrases. We have learned how to use present perfect continuous tense. We use it for recently completed activities. For example, I've been running, so I'm very thirsty now. We also use it for activities started in the past and still continues. For example, I've been working for Easy English at home. I'm still working for this company. Another one, and we also use it for repeated activities that are still continuing. I've been visiting my relatives all around the world. And lastly, we use it with for and since with action verbs. So, I've been working for Easy English at home for 2 years. We also learned the difference between what have you been doing and how have you been doing. What have you been doing is the same as saying what were you busy with. How have you been doing, on the other hand, means how are you? Thank you for watching. You can find the practice files for this lesson on the link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!